Okay, let's begin, everybody. So we'll just do a quick recap. Of our plan today, we'll start with derivatives of trigonometric functions, 2h. We will also do second derivatives. This is probably one of the easier exercises in this unit. Basically, all you're doing is you differentiate the function and then you differentiate it again. So we get to have a bit of a recap there. I also have a summary sheet that I'll pass out. So we remember that this Thursday and Friday we lose both of our lessons for sports day. We come back next week, we'll have our Tuesday and Thursday lessons as formal revision lessons, and then the test will be Friday of next week. I'll also hand out some practice tests today with the test summary. Right at the start of the lesson, we're going to go through both. We'll go through trig and second derivatives, so we've sort of done that. I'll float around, check in with everyone, and then we'll have a chat about the summary. Okay, so we've got derivatives of trigonometric functions. So you've got your list of rules at the top of your page there, and we'll just get straight into it. If we differentiate sine x, we get cos x. Okay, so we can differentiate this one in one step. The derivative of x squared is going to be 2x. The 2 hangs out, and the derivative of sine x is cos x. Alright, so that's from the first part of the table there. Alright, we have ln of 3x squared times sine of the square root of x. So we're multiplying them, we have to use the product rule. So we'll identify u and v. Now, last lesson we learned how to differentiate an ln function. All right, it becomes 6x on top of 3x squared. Now that could be simplified, but again, we're differentiating without simplifying, so that's fine. When we differentiate sine of f of x, it goes to f dash of x cos of f of x. Okay, so just on that v to v dash, we have sine of f of x, so we go to f dash of x cos f of x. All right, and then for the product rule, we just smash them together, u dash v. So we've got f of x, we're moving to f dash of x, u dash v. Plus u v dash. Okay, C, we have y equals cos of ln of x. Now, here we have cos of a function of x. This is not cos times ln of x. All right, there's two key tells. The first is that the brackets are around the ln. It's cos of what's in brackets. The second thing is cos by itself means nothing. Okay, this means nothing. You must always have cos of something. So we have cos of f of x, where the function is ln of x. Now when we differentiate cos of f of x, it goes to negative f dash of x, sine of f of x. All right, so we're going to differentiate ln x first. That's going to come out the front. So we have dy on dx. The derivative of ln of x is 1 on x. Okay, so that's the f dash of x part. We make it negative as per the rule, and we multiply it by sine of ln of x. All right, so that's for part C. All right, and now we'll go to tan. Now we have, for D, we have y equals tan of e to the x, that's tan of f of x. And we'll solve for this one goes to f dash of x on top of cos of f of x. Okay, tan of f of x goes to f dash of x on top of cos of f of x.
Cos
Okay,
squared.
sorry?
Cos squared.
Cos squared, thank you. So we have tan of e to the x is our function. Now when we differentiate e to the x, we get e to the x. So we have e to the x at the top, and then we're just going to have cos squared of e to the x as our denominator. So hopefully what we can see with all of these rules is that they're really starting to compound together. Alright, so that's enough to get started on 2h. I'll clear the board and draw up for second derivatives, and we'll get straight into that one.